What if you could turn a single sentence into a fully edited cinematic sci-fi trailer in just a few minutes? Today we're looking at Google Flow, Google's AI-powered filmmaking workspace that handles everything from brainstorming and storyboards to character consistency and video editing. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own complete AI videos from scratch. Let's dive in. To start, head over to flow.google and sign in with your Google account. You'll land on the main hub showing your recent projects and featured community creations. Click New Project to open the workspace. Along the left side, you'll find your media, characters, scenes, and AI tools. In the center is your main canvas. On the right is your AI assistant, and right at the bottom is your prompt box. Unlike standard text-to-video tools, Google Flow doesn't just throw a random clip at you right away. First, it asks clarifying questions to narrow down the creative vision. For example, if we type in a prompt for a 15-second teaser trailer about an astronaut discovering a glowing crystal on an alien planet. As Flow generates only 10-second videos, it is suggesting us to plan a storyboard for our scenes. Flow generates a structured text storyboard detailing character profiles, environments, lighting, and frame-by-frame shots with camera angles and dialogue. At this stage, you're only editing text, so refining your story here saves your video generation credits for when you're ready to render. And at the end, it is asking us if we want to create reference image for our character first or directly generate the first scene. Next, we will ask it to create a visual preview board. This lets you double-check shot compositions before rendering high-resolution video. If you see something you want to adjust, like changing the crystal's glow to a vibrant red, you can make that tweak directly on the frame preview. Flow will display the credit cost before you confirm. Once you're happy with the keyframes, click Approve. A few moments later, your clips will render right on the canvas with consistent lighting, texturing, and style across every frame. Now let's stitch these individual clips into a full sequence. Go to Scenes, create a new scene, and click the plus button on the bottom timeline to select your clips. You can reorder shots, trim clips to adjust pacing, or even type prompts directly into the timeline editor to modify specific scenes on the fly. When finished, hit Download in the top right to export the finished scene. Or download raw individual clips from all media if you prefer editing in external software like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. One of the biggest pain points in AI video is keeping characters looking identical across different shots. Flow solves this with built-in character tags. In the Characters tab, we can define our main hero by typing in a description prompt. We can also add our own avatar as well. Captain Vance, a seasoned astronaut in his late 40s with sharp features, dark hair, wearing a rugged, weathered silver flight suit with illuminated shoulder badges. If we click Format button, Flow will add its magic prompt to our previous prompt. Once we generate his reference images, we can give him a name and select a voice profile. From then on, simply type Captain Vance in your prompts, and Flow will automatically keep his appearance consistent across completely different environments. Finally, you don't have to start from scratch. You can transform existing footage with video-to-video AI. By uploading a raw video file and adding a prompt, such as transforming a street walk into a cyberpunk neon alleyway, Flow tracks your movement and structure while reskinning the entire environment. That's how you go from a simple idea to a finished AI video using Google Flow. Which feature are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.